Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to watch movies without internet, Prime Video lets you download content directly to your device, perfect for traveling or any place without Wi-Fi. Okay, so in this guide, I will show you step by step how to download a movie for offline viewer or offline viewing on Prime Video in 2026, simple and efficient. So you have to know that it works on mobile, iOS or Android and tablets. It's available for most included or purchased titles and multiple quality options like low, high, medium. Okay, so download means temporary offline access. So open Prime Video, launch the Prime Video app. Okay, sign in or sign into your account, be ready to download. So find a movie, for example. Okay, browser search for a movie, open its page, make sure it supports download. Okay, so tap download from here. Okay, look for download and tap it and download options will appear. Okay, so choose video quality. So as you can see here, we have first thing, we have language, we have everything. So wait for download. After you tap starts download, progress bar shows status, time depends on internet speed, stay connected until it finishes. Okay, so access downloaded movies. After that, go to downloads or my stuff. Okay, and like this, tap the movie and watch offline anytime. Okay, you can manage downloads like delete to free space, re-download if expired. Okay, adjust download settings, so keep your storage optimized. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.